our one-door freezer. First off, overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 29 inches, a depth of 32.5 inches, and a height 82.5 inches. And coming to the right will be the power switch along with the temperature control. Locking key is included. Coming to the top right corner will be your light bulb. Included are 3 shelves. Please note that the shelves are not assembled for this video, but they will be included. The measurements for each shelf will include 23 inches in length by 23.5 inches in depth. Interior dimensions, we have 24.5 inches in length, 26 inches in depth by 52 inches in height. Coming to the right will be the ETL NSF certification, and coming to the back will be the 110 and 120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.